I'm sure you guys have heard of Huawei P30 and Huawei P30 Pro, but what you may not know is that company actually announced three phones, and the third one here offers best value proposition. In the box, you get a USB Type-C cable, 18-watt fast charger, as well as the pair of earphones. So it's a very different kind of proposition to the other two phones. But at the same time, of course, where it gets interesting is its pricing. You get this phone for 48,000 rupees in Pakistan and around 20,000 rupees in India. And अगर आप इस phone का exterior देखें, तो it will be difficult to spot the difference compared to the phone which is twice its price. There are sham pad edges on the top and the bottom. The color theme is what they say flashy peacock blue, which looks different in pretty much every lighting condition. There's also a headphone jack, and this phone is one of the cheapest phones in the world which offers a triple camera setup. Huawei Lite comes with a 24 pixel front camera. It is incredibly crisp in the right lighting. You can also take portrait mode shots like this one here. And there's a lot of stuff to do with augmented reality. Now onto the bank, and to start with, there's a 48 megapixel main camera, and as long as you have the right light, the detail is phenomenal. And the interesting thing about it is that this thing doubles as the camera zooms. The results do look better than if you were just to take the camera and use straight up digital zoom. You also get an AI scene detection on the main camera, and the second camera is an 8 megapixel ultra wide light and has got a 120-degree field of view, the same as the P30 phone. So you will be able to capture a lot in one frame, and this lens still works with video too. And then you've got a 2 megapixel dedicated depth sensor which assists in portrait mode. This should mean better edge detection and more natural background blur. Alright, so P30 Lite is running MUI on the latest version of Android, and it's got a couple of cool software features. You can set your video instead of just a ringtone when get called by certain contexts. And it comes with high vision, which allows you to translate text in augmented reality in real time. You'll be appreciating all this through its 6.15-inch LCD screen, which is not a highlight to the phone, but it's not bad. The phone comes with 4 GBs of RAM, paired with 128 GBs of expandable storage. It supports GPU Turbo 2.0 to stabilize gaming frame rate, and the whole operation is powered by midrange Kirin 710 chip. It also has a pretty robust battery setup. Huawei has paired 3340 mAh cell with 18-watt fast charging that we mentioned earlier. It's enough that it's not a liability. You don't need to worry about this phone of running out in a normal day. That is all for now, guys. Hope you liked the review. Also, please do subscribe my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I come up with more of such videos. Peace.